way out of this cycle, this business of killings, counter killings, is one of the features of Kerala politics. Is there a way out that you think can be found from this cycle?
Yes, it, there, is, there is a way. There are ways, I would like to say, more specifically. One is democratic way itself is the way to achieve peace and all. RSS and the allied organizations were very much for such talks and peace talks and everything. People who are living outside of Kerala or outside the influential areas of this so-called left cannot believe in these type of discussion, just like in between America and Russia or Pakistan and India. But it has happened in Kerala, and Sangha RSS has taken initiative to invite these communist people to a table to discuss about it. You may be knowing that Dattoppan Thengdiji, who was a ideologue of Hindu philosophy, he was an RSS person, and he was the beginner, or he founded RSS in Kerala. He was BMS Sansthapak. He took initiative to call upon none other than EMS Namboodiripad in Delhi and started discussions there. So from our side, there are a lot of initiatives. In Kerala also, V.R. Krishna here took a mediator position and called communist people and RSS people. There was discussion. But before that ink which has been used for signing such an agreement to make peace, before that ink dried, communist people killed one of the district level leader, Chandran, in Tellicherry. It happened there, and Krishna himself was, I lost all hope. That has happened. See, I was an editor. I am also from a journalistic background. And I was the editor of Kesari Weekly, Malayalam Weekly. And through one of my columns, I have invited the communist people. We have to end up it. Just forget about all the past. Let us start a new beginning. But do you know the Pinarayi Vijayan, how he has reacted to it? Let RSS people put the weapon down. It is not a reaction from a person who is believing, if he is believing in democracy, it is not a reaction. It was not. When none other than Mohan Bhagwat visited some 3 years back in Kerala, he himself has said, when a journalist asked him about the same question, he himself said that I am inviting all people and stretching my hands for peace, and I am requesting the people, especially from the leftist background, to end up all these things. But immediately Pinarayi Vijayan was asked the same question, what is your reaction? Pinarayi Vijayan's reaction was, let Mohan Bhagwat put his weapon down. So this is the way in which this type of discussion itself has been sabotaged. So RSS is always for that. And during one Onam celebration, I would like to remind you about that particular thing. During one Onam celebration, you may be knowing, as far as Keralites are concerned, Onam is considered to be the most auspicious occasion. And it's more famous for Sadhya, big feast. 10 days continuously, RSS conducted Upavasa. RSS people conducted Upavasa for peace alone. Let us stop this. Let us stop this. Senior elements should come forward and try to stop all these things. And I would like to mention another example. Udaya Bhanu, many of the, thinkers who are participating here may be knowing that name. He was a famous Gandhian contest leader of Kerala. He once wrote, after a thorough study about the political killing in Kerala, and he came up with a conclusion, that one conclusion is for sure, that all RSS people, at least 90% of the RSS people who were killed or murdered in these political killings were former Marxist people. So it's a case of apostasy. It's a case of sin of apostates. Those who are leaving Communist Party and joining this Sangha people are bound to or destined to be killed.